Hi, I'm Alice, creator of Alisthenics, exercises to increase freedom of movement after breast surgery. In 1999, at age 57, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I had a lumpectomy and an axillary node dissection on the left side. Drawing on my background in exercise science and conferring with rehab experts, I created a series of exercises to increase range of motion, flexibility, and lymphatic flow after breast surgery. With the help of a major pharmaceutical company, I produced the exercise video Alisthenics and found my purpose. 20,000 videos were given away to cancer treatment centers, oncologists, and hospitals. At age 77 years young, I am a living testimony that these exercises work and that you too can move past your current limitations. So let's get started.